Hello everybody, welcome back to my video. Today I am going to talk about a very important topic. I remember my name is Luis Arreta Montiel. I am studying English in the University of Secar. Well, Colombia is a country that offers many wonders in its corners, but the sad reality facing this country is not secret to anyone. We know that it's a country that has been devastated and drug traffic and terrorism. A country that is currently being administered by a bad government that has applied laws that the Colombian people have not liked, the people have left disappointed. So the manifestation templates with the more march against the brutes of the country. That the only thing affected is the most affected vulnerable. Well, it's the same way in the manifestation and revelation of the vets of the vet administration and the leader of the current president has been. Well, where we do in-depth analysis is really a country affected by proverb and where my children in the area of the Guajira, especially died due to malnutrition. A country that suffers from lack and the employment, and that part of this population is affected because it's the hunger. And so everything I said before leads to address the resentment. Every day we see spooky things. We're also intolerant and discrimination, and in the life of thousands of the innocent peoples. All these generates a lot of indignation. People kill age on the other terrorists in bad, the most vulnerable people in vulnerable population of the country. This is where I wonder. Where is the love? Where is the love? Thank you.